Hello students, today we'll see how a pneumothorax will appear on a supine radiograph. In last video we have talked about how a pneumothorax appears on an erect radiograph. In this video we'll see how it will appear on the supine radiograph. So for pathogenesis कि हमें कैसे दिखेगा, pathophysiology, whenever a person is in supine position, just a minute, whenever a person is in supine position, so as we know, pneumo means air is least dense, so air has a tendency to rise up. Air will rise up. So this is the patient's couch, this is the patient here. Air will rise up, so it will come along anterior aspect of chest, pleural cavity. Like in this schematic, we can see that this is the air and this is the lung here. This is the mediastinum. So it will appear on lower part of lung fields. It will appear on anterior lower part of lung fields. So how it will appear? It will appear like that. Just a minute. सुपाइन इंस्पेक्शन पे हमें एयर कैसे दिखेगी, कहाँ कहाँ पे देखना है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल हैव टू सी लंग बेसिस. लंग बेसिस में कैसा दिख सकता है? वी विल सी अ हाइपर ल्यूसेंट अपर क्वाड्रेंट ऑफ एब्डोमेन. वाई ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? वहाँ पे ज़्यादा एयर है तो लेस एक्स-रेज will be attenuated. More X-rays will penetrate the body, will reach detector and will appear hyperlucent. This is the cascade here. Second, a deep sulcus sign. As we can see here, this is the sulcus I am talking about. The air will come in this part and it will line the upper superior aspect of diaphragm. Diaphragm यहाँ तक जा रहा है, it will line. I'll clear this thing so you can see now. This is it. This is the diaphragm. This air, this free air is lining the diaphragm and is clearly appearing, and this is looking like a deep sulcus. Third one is a well defined diaphragm. What we will see कि एयर जब इस डायफ्राम को लाइन करेगी, दिस इज द डोम ऑफ द डायफ्राम हियर, दिस इज द डोम ऑफ द डायफ्राम and this is the air lining it, this is the air lining it. How this dome of diaphragm is appearing very clear? Because the adjacent lung, this is the adjacent lung here. The adjacent lung is opaque because of any pneumonia. So this is like soft tissue. Diaphragm is also soft tissue. And this is air. So air intervening two soft tissues is appearing very clear and crisp. That is why we are seeing a well defined diaphragm on the side which is showing pneumothorax. Second was deep sulcus sign. I have already explained it. And first was hyperlucent upper quadrant of abdomen. This was the first one here. This. So कि हमें कहाँ कहाँ देखना है. एक हो गया कि हमें सुपाइन में क्या देखना है. ठीक है. एयर कैन राइज इंटीरियर. सुपाइन अगर पेशेंट लेटा हुआ है, एयर विल राइज ऑन इंटीरियर एस्पेक्ट ऑफ लंग बेसिस, क्योंकि वो ही हमारा सबसे हाई राइजिंग पॉइंट है. नेक्स्ट इज मीडियल इंस्पेक्शन. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि दैट एयर इज ऑक्यूपाइंग more of medial side. So what it will do, it will, ये हार्ट है हमारा, ये लंग है. What it will do, it will get interposed. This is the air here, this is the air here, if you can see, this is the air here and this is air here. ठीक है. ये तो लैटरल साइन में हमारा आ जाएगा, ये तो लैटरल साइन में आ जाएगा डीप सल्कस. अब हम बात करते हैं मीडियल इंस्पेक्शन की कि मीडियली हमें क्या दिख सकता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द सेम कॉन्सेप्ट. एयर विल आउटलाइन द मीडियल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द लंग विच इज क्लोज टू द हार्ट. एंड ये भी सॉफ्ट टिश्यू हो गया, हार्ट भी सॉफ्ट टिश्यू हो गया, लंग भी सॉफ्ट टिश्यू हो गया. इट विल गेट हाईलाइटेड. दिस एयर इट विल गेट हाईलाइटेड and will appear very clear. This border will appear very clear. Which border? Medial border of lung, which is close to the heart, will appear very clear. This was the first. Second one was that this dome of diaphragm will appear very clear. सेम कॉन्सेप्ट हेयर. नीचे भी सॉफ्ट टिश्यू डेंसिटी है, ऊपर भी सॉफ्ट टिश्यू डेंसिटी है, तो एयर विल गेट इंटरपर्स्ड बिटवीन these two soft tissue densities and hence will appear more clear based on differential attenuation of X-ray beams. This was the schematic and this is the sign here. We can see this is the heart here. But as we can see, this left sided border of heart is very clear, is appearing very clear. I'll erase it so now you can see this border. This border is appearing very clear. Second, this is the deep sulcus sign here. So, and third is the medial aspect of diaphragm is appearing very clear. Usually medial aspect of left sided of dome of diaphragm विल बी, ऊपर हार्ट होगा, नीचे डायफ्राम होगा, दोनों सॉफ्ट टिश्यू डेंसिटी होंगे, बीच में कोई बॉर्डर हमें नहीं दिखाई देगा। यहाँ पे बीच में एयर आ जाएगी, सो विल सी अ वेरी शार्प बॉर्डर। ठीक है, थैंक्स फॉर पेशेंट लिसनिंग। नेक्स्ट, for tension pneumothorax we'll speak in next video.